Hey guys, what's going on? Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Look at my celery. I've got about 80 pounds to harvest. 80 pounds of celery to harvest. And all I did was throw my seeds and my plants in this little planter right here, and it's growing all my food for me. I never ever have to grow my food again. This little planter, it's called a torpedo pot. Okay, look. I grew my melons. 10, 12 pound melons coming off my torpedo pot. I don't mess around. I'm growing 70 melons this year. 70 melons. 70. From a torpedo pot. I don't have to touch the ground, don't turn it over. I never water. I never feed. All I did was put my seeds worth pennies on the dollar, and I grew over 70 to 100 melons. Impossible, right? Well, I'm taking a little trip, and so I've got to harvest me some celery. What I did is I went to my grower, and I took celery from little seedlings, and I planted them in these planters, and they grow now. Well, you can do about 80 pounds of celery in just this small 25-foot lot right here, 25 feet, and as many melons as you want. So let me go pick some celery because I'm going to carry it with me. See what it's going to. I want to go for the biggest. Always go for the biggest. They're in here, they're tough. I want to pull the whole plant out so you can see it. Guys, this is my food, it's celery. I normally get multiple harvests out of the year, but I let it grow up as big as this one is right now so I can harvest it and eat it when I want to. Now normally I don't pick the base at all. I don't pick it, I don't have to. Because once I cut the celery down, it grows back. This is food. This is real food. Growing from a torpedo pot. You just put your seeds and your plants in that planter. You'll get 10-pound melons, and you'll get more celery than you could ever dream of. I get lots and lots of food. Every day, all day. I do nothing. I put my seeds in my planter, and I walk away for the rest of the year. Then after that, I just choose what I want to eat and what I don't want to eat. I don't have a problem with you. I don't have to go to the supermarket like you do. I grow food 24 hours a day, 365 days a year in my torpedo pots. 80 pounds of celery and 20 feet, 80 pounds of celery. Over 10-pound melons, 10-pound melons. And I'll get 70 of them growing at 20 feet. You're making a grave mistake by spending $12,000 to $24,000 a year on food. You're making a grave mistake, and I hope you're listening to me, because you'll be able to grow in a torpedo pot as much food as you can imagine. You put your seeds in a plant, put your plants in this planter, and all you do is supplement once a week. You never water, you never feed, and you can get a harvest like you've never seen before in your life. Darryl Addison, torpedopot.com. Talk to you guys later. All right, bye-bye.